Zoologia, Fantastica, and the Mist is a 3D interactive story world which brings to life several creatures from Jorge Luis Borges' fable anthology, Zoologia Fantastica. Each entry in Zoologia Fantastica, the Book of Imaginary Beings, describes a different mythological creature from a fairy tale around the world. Our goal in this adaptation was to render these creatures in such a way that contemporary viewers of all ages and backgrounds could explore and make deep connections with the creatures across cultural boundaries. In creating this adaptation, we faced several challenges. One was, how do we adapt an old literary text into a form Jorge Luis Borges never could have dreamed of, while still staying true to the intentions of the original. To do this, we carefully selected creatures from a variety of continents whose characteristics reflected the specific environment and cultures in which they were conceived. Next, models for these creatures were created in Maya and imported into an interactive story world in 3.js. In the story world, camera angles and various features in the environment shifted and changed in response to ambient movement from a webcam. As each new creature appears, a new story world environment appears with them, along with original music and oral recitation of a short vignette. Another challenge we faced was, how do we adapt a text which is made up of a series of short descriptions and episodes into a full-fledged narrative piece, while still creating a narrative that's simple enough gallery viewers can dip in and out without getting confused? To solve this, we created an episodic, non-linear narrative in which Jorge Luis Borges himself is a character, building a little boy around a misty, post-apocalyptic landscape and showing him all the creatures along the way, so that every few minutes viewers have another chance to get oriented. In presenting this project, we learned that children responded most excitedly to its sensorial and interactive elements, regularly spending long spans of time immersed and empathizing with the creatures without concern for where they were from. Adults, in contrast, were more excited by the conception of the narrative and hearing about the literary and cultural context in which this project was created. We hope to learn more about the different ways in which children and adults respond to interactive narratives in the future.